People guys spend their time on their laptop watching movie, watching Netflix, watching everything that won't pay them at the end of the day. Some of the people take their phones and go to Facebook and look at other people's success. At the end of the day, they ended up doing nothing, guys. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you another website whereby you can make money just by doing your design or applying your favorite code or pictures, unlicensed pictures, not any other pictures, guys. This website would pay you just to design their clothes, cups, giving them your laptop covers and everything, guys, for free. You don't need any skill to do this, guys. You don't need to go to school and become a graduate and then come to this website and start making money. You can start making money just by having your phone or a laptop or a phone with a good internet connection, guys. If your phone has a good internet connection, guys, you can join this website for free, guys. So guys, before I start with today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you that I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this for years, guys. It's just that I've been not uploading that much. I was doing this to test this website whether it's working or not. So guys, before I get started with the website, the name of the website, how it works, I'm gonna show you my previous work. I'm gonna show you my shop, guys, that I started from scratch without any special skills or any education at all, guys. I just went to YouTube and searched for videos, and then I found out that this website is, you can see here, this is my online shop, guys. This is my online shop, guys. There's nothing special about this shop. It's just that I took my favorite code. As you can see here, I took my favorite codes, guys, then I added them here on this website. After that, they started selling, guys. As you can see, let me show you my current balance, then after I'll show you my previous payment that I received from this website. So first of all, guys, I'm gonna show you my previous balance. After that, I'm gonna show you how much I made on this website alone, guys. So this is my balance. I'm going to show you my balance right over here. I've sold 22 products, guys. I'm not uploading that much. I'm not like spending most of the time on this website. As you saw, my store, it's a small store, guys, but people keep on visiting my store and buying products from my store. Remember, guys, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to deal with the client. You don't have to deal with the shipping process whatsoever, guys. You just upload here and they apply your designing set on their match. These companies are called print on demand, guys. Here you're gonna be doing this thing called print on demand, guys. Whenever your t-shirt sells with your design, guys, let me show my current balance, guys. As you can see here, guys, it's still loading. Okay, as you can see here, guys, this is my $4.58, guys. These are the product that I sold, guys. These are the simple product that I sold. I took unlicensed pictures because I'm not good at designing. If you are good at designing, this could be your advantage. You can take advantage of this website. And if you are just like me, you can go to Pixabay and search for unlicensed pictures and then come over here to this website and then upload your design after that. So as you can see, guys, this month alone I have 839 unique visitors, guys. So now I'm gonna show you the payment that I received from this website. I'm gonna go to payment history, guys. I'm gonna go to payment history. I'm gonna go to payment history. This is the money that I made. This is the money that was paid on the 14th of December 2021, $13.79, guys. This is the money I made on this website. This is the proof of payment that I have been paid with. I've been paid by this website. I know what I'm talking about. So guys, let's go back now and show you how you can register on this website, how you'll upload your designs, so how you'll get paid, guys. So let's jump on. The website is called Redbubble, guys. Most of you are familiar with this website. Some of you are buying on this website, but they don't know that they can make money money on this website. This is the print on demand company, guys, called Redbubble, guys. So what is a print on demand, guys? It's whereby you will just upload your design or sell your design and they apply it into your merch. They deal with the customers, they deal with the shipping process, they deal with everything that has to do with the custom. All you have to do is just upload your designs. After uploading your designs, you will get your portion of your money and they will take their portion after your design is sold, guys. So here's how you're gonna sign up here on this website. You're gonna click sell your art right over here, sell your art. Then you're gonna be redirected to this page, guys. Creativity and community, sweet cash, guys. Sell your art printed on high quality product to a global audience. It is fun, easy and quick to get started. So guys, they say here it is fun and easy to get started, and that's true, guys. You can sell your product. After selling your product, you'll get the portion of your money, guys. So how Redbubble works: you upload your design to a product, guys. You're gonna upload your design to a product, to a certain product, then customer find it and purchase that product they love featuring your design. Then they buy those products that are featuring your design, and then products are produced to order and shipped around the world. So they're gonna ship this product to a customer, and when the customer get it, you're gonna get the portion of your percentage, guys. So you're gonna click here, start selling, and then here you're gonna sign up as an artist, not as a customer. You can just sign up manually by entering your email, username, password, then click this box right over here and then click sign up. After the sign up process is complete, guys, you're gonna be taken to Redbubble dashboard. Here's how the Redbubble dashboard looks like, guys. You'll come across different designs from different shops, from different people who are making money here on this website right over here, guys. You can get inspired by those designs, guys, and you can just follow one person that you want to upload design similar to him or her, guys, so that you can follow her design. Then after following her design, and you can get inspired, guys, and then also design similar designs, or guys, you can do your own unique design just like me, guys. Then if you want to upload here on this website, you're just gonna click right over here, your profile right over here, and then here you'll come across this thing that says add your work, guys. Then click add your work, and after clicking add your work, guys, here you're gonna copy an existing work, and then or you're gonna just upload a new work. I'm gonna click here upload new work, guys. Right after uploading your work, guys, you'll be required to enter a title right over here, and then you'll be required to enter text, guys. Text you can copy from other designers' text, guys. Like for example, you can add text like yellow cute tree around, whatever that's in your design, guys. You can write it over here, and then after that you can write what is your design about by adding your description right over here. Then after that, guys, you can choose where you want to apply your design, guys. You click whatever thing that you want to design to apply on. Then after that, guys, you can choose right over here. You can choose anybody or only private, guys. You can also choose the media right over here: photography, design, illustration, painting. So my design, guys, is about photography. Then I'm gonna choose photography and then design or digital art. Then after that, you're gonna click agree right over here, then save work. Then your work is gonna appear publicly, guys. Everyone would see it, because this company, guys, do everything for you. They advertise for you, they deal with customers, they deliver your design, guys. Whenever somebody purchase a t-shirt with your design on it, then after that you're gonna get paid for that, guys. Then whenever you reach the minimum withdrawal, $20, guys, your money gonna be sent just to you straight into your PayPal account, guys. Then after that you are done, guys. So if you have any opinions or any view about this website right over here, guys, so if you find value in this video, guys, can you please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.